Mudra is a great mudra to release again any anxiety, anything from the body, and it is connected with the Manipura. I'm not sure whether you can see the chakras behind me. Manipura is the solar plexus. It's like where the fight or flight happen in our body and all the digestive system. And of course, it's connected to our creativity. The name Rudra comes from the Rudra actually. Rudra is the Lord Shiva himself when he becomes this warrior form, and when he comes, from the ashes, and he comes in his big, fierce form, ferocious. Rest into a Sukhasana, easy pose, or Padmasana, if you like, comfortably. Turn your palms upward. So turn your thumb, ring finger, and index finger together, right at the tip. And the middle finger and the little finger point out naturally towards the earth or curve naturally. And as you connect the thumbs to the thumbs, remember, is the fire element. The index finger is the air element. The earth element is with the ring finger, Prithvi. And you rest your awareness in the flow of your breath. You close your eyes in this mudra, and you really breathe deep into the belly. You visualize a sun. The Manipura is the city of the jewel, the solar plexus, the digestive system. These mudras really help us to connect to this part and release actually as well any toxins through this solar plexus form. So visualize a beautiful bright sun, and through this fire, remember, in the fire the transformation happens as well. From here, the pranayama will be a Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is sometimes referred to as the breath of fire. You keep the jaw muscles relaxed. The pumping is through the belly. While you're holding the mudra, remember, thumb, index finger, ring finger together. It goes sharp exhalation from the nostril, and you pump the belly. The inhale comes naturally. It goes like, you don't have to go fast, yeah? Keep the jaw muscles relaxed. And breathe out fully from the mouth or the nostril. And let's hold the mudra for again another maybe 30 seconds, and keep visualizing this beautiful sun. And probably you've seen it in the Shiva form, Nataraja form, and Lord Nataraja, he danced around an aureole of flame, and this the transformation. This is the Rudra. Yeah, this is like his form, but he's laughing and dancing because at the same time. So the mantra from here, what we're gonna chant is Om Namah Shivaya. It's a beautiful, powerful mantra to honor and to the auspicious one, Shiva, Lord of destruction, the Lord of yoga. So keep holding the mudra, shoulders relaxed, relax the jaw muscle, and chant a few times. Please feel free to join me from your end. Om Namah Shivaya. Always ground. Visualize the sun. Lengthen through the spine. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 You can hold this mudra from 3 minutes up to 30 minutes. You can do this mudra while you're walking, while you're meditating, and if it's the hand gesture, the hasta, like mudra like that is difficult, maybe release the mudra and come back to it. This is a, mudra, I will call them asana for the hand. When we create this mudra in our hand gesture, we are actually using different technique, different muscles in our hand, our finger to create this mudras. Namaste.